Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom trying to balance your life? You're trying to be there for your family, trying to work that 9 to 5, and then you're trying to work on building your side hustle. And you realize that, okay, in order for me to actually make it online, I need to learn digital marketing because this is where the world has gone, right? The days of bothering your family and friends are over. So you're in the right place at the right time. So maybe you're at that stage where you're looking around for the best program out there for you, and then you run into analysis paralysis because there's way too many courses, programs out there, and there's just too much time. Which one do you go for? All right. So in this video, I'm going to go through what makes a course busy mom friendly. I'm going to recommend a few platforms that I've used for courses and how you can get the most out of those courses. And if you stick around to the very end, I'm going to share with you some proof of how much income you can expect to earn as a busy mom with this in the digital marketing space. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that bus of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. So in this video, I want to break down with you what makes a course busy mom friendly. Okay, what is it? What should you be looking for? Well, first and foremost, right, you want to learn, right, from somebody who's achieved the results that you want, right? Because success leaves clues. There's so many courses, so many programs out there, but are they teaching theory, right? Have the people that are teaching it have a proven track record of getting the results, not just for themselves, but for their students as well. So that's something that you have to look out for, right? Because you want to make sure that whatever it is you're going to invest your time and money in actually works. The next thing is you have to make sure that, okay, they might know the stuff and it might work for them and other people, but can they break it down? Can they teach it to you in such a way that they break it down in small, manageable chunks, right? Can they make it easy for anybody to understand? And most importantly, can you apply what you're learning? So in the digital marketing space, it's not about learning all this theory stuff. It's about actually applying what you're learning. And ideally, you should be earning money while you're learning. Okay, that's absolutely very important. And then do you have support? What support is there for you? Are you going to get access to this login details? The next thing you know, you're just left there on your own trying to figure things out. Or are you going to have access to a community? Is there ongoing support? You get coaching and mentorship with it. And lastly, but certainly not least, you want to learn these skills so you can make money, right? So you don't want to end up spending thousands and thousands on a program and not get any results for it, right? So these are the things that you need to look out for. And one of the most important thing is that it's actually practical. Okay, it's actually you actually are encouraged to apply what you're learning, and you're actually able to learn and earn at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and I want to share with you some programs that I've come across that I've used in the past. So if you go to Skillshop Google, right, you can learn. There's a course that's starting on this was actually January 25th. 2025. It's a 40-hour course. It's beginner friendly. You can see the stars there, and it's also will be available in different languages as well. But in this course, you can see the concepts, right? Welcome to Fundamental, build your digital marketing strategy, know your digital customers, build your knowledge, very important. So it's broken down into different modules, and each module is broken down into different classes, right? 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. And if you go to Coursera, right, .org, you can narrow it down. You see, I searched for digital marketing, and then some of these courses are from Google itself, but there's other courses that are not on Google, right? So digital, social media and digital marketing fundamentals, for instance, I can click on this one here, right? And then you can see 39,000 enrolled. This one starts on the 30th of May. There's 3 modules, beginner friendly, 10 hours, and so on. So you can scroll down and see what it is that you're going to learn. Skillshare is another one. So if I go back here, there's different, I search for digital marketing. See the different digital marketing. So again, you can zone in on any one of them and get more information, right? Depending on what you're looking for. Then Udemy is one of them as well that I've used in the past. I actually have a course here on something completely different. But again, you can see the complete digital marketing guide and all these different courses. But you can zoom in on one, and then you can get a preview video. You can see how many students they have, how many ratings. This one has 265 students, over 25,000 ratings. And then you can actually watch previews of the course as well. I actually learned how to record audios, meditation audios from this. So it's very powerful, these platforms here. And they're great for beginners if you want to like dip your toes into the space and you want to find out exactly what this is all about, right? To get more information. They're absolutely brilliant. However, if you're in the stage where you're just sick and tired of going from program to program, and you want to actually, not only do you want to get the knowledge, but you want that ongoing support, right? Because up until now, you've probably bought so many programs, you have all these login details, and you're just left on your own. And that's the hardest thing for anybody, right? When we have a job, we get told what to do, and we just program that way, we're able to get on. However, when it's up to us, then we're just like, I'll do it. It's so easy to push it off, right? So that's why accountability is so important. So I want to share with you a live interactive coaching and mentorship where you have access to a thriving community of over 50,000 members who are there to support you. But most importantly, how you get live interactive coaching and mentorship every single week, but from 6 and 7 figure earners who have used the program to earn 6 and 7 figures, right? So I want to share with you, I'm going to share my screen here. I'm actually recording this video again because I actually didn't share my screen the first time. Okay, so here we go. Shame on me. So first, go to view all products. So we have different packages. I want to share with you. You actually can get access to this on your mobile and an app, so you can learn and on the go, and you can access it on the browser as well. So here we have different courses. And I went all in. So this is the one I went all in on. And there's different modules. So if you click on one of these, just one of these, it actually opens up more training, right? So it's designed to take you by the hand, walk you step by step. It's a proven step-by-step blueprint, right? This grandmother of 6 earned her first million in 17 months, and she put this together. But we also have a thriving community of over 53,000 members. If I had any questions, I'd ask a question here, somebody would answer me. There's a webinar happening in 6 hours that shows up in my time. These are all the people around the world that are in our in this community, in this program. You can see where they're all coming from, right? And then we have a calendar, because you can see for the month of May, it's a live interactive coaching and mentorship. That one, the training that's coming up is here. But yesterday we had social media training where a single mom who's working 2 jobs, she does this training, and she's actually been able to quit those 2 jobs and everything, and she's earned 6 figures. And she did this Monday mentoring call as well. But we have several of them that come in who have done what we're looking to do, and they've worn the t-shirt and they're actually teaching us. Now, in the classroom are additional tools and resources to help you along the way. The Freedom Sprint is a 90-day sprint where our multi-millionaire, she's earned 5 million now in just under 3 years, where she sends us a daily video, right? So you can see here we're on day 20, and the video just appears here, and she just gives us some action steps, right? So today's video is all about 30-day content calendar, right? So again, we have an Excel sheet here, we have a PDF. So she's giving us the tools that we need as entrepreneurs to build our business. We have mindset training, we have tech calls, we have social media training, mentoring, replays, and all this. We have a content vault where you can download that content, upload onto your social media. So we have all this here. But lastly, and certainly not least, you might be thinking, okay, does this really work for different types of people? So I'm going to go to our wins section of our community and share with you some wins. So in April, Sam is a South African teacher who is in debt, and he quit his teaching job to do digital marketing full time. So in April, on that day, he made $300, $300, $600, $100 in the last 10 days alone. That's from South Africa. Let me see, looking for financial wins. Those people share different types of wins. Dan, 2 days ago, $900 day so far. Congratulations. Sabina, 14 hours ago, $1,000. That's 17,000 in rands. That's in 4 days. Imagine being able to earn that money in South African rands. Tevi, 5 hours ago, another $300 while getting kids ready for bed. She used to make that. Tevi used to make $158 a day, right? While working 9 to 5. Now she's making money while doing the laundry, the cooking. Woohoo! Findile made another $900. Ashron, 3 days ago, $800 day. That's 14,000 in South African. Dirk, 4 days ago, $100 sale today. Avon, 4 days ago, $900 last night. So these are all the different people that are earning. Lastly, Sabina here 3 days ago, $100 during bed rest. Currently on my 3rd day bed rest, and I made $100. Congratulations, right? So here you can see there's over 28,000 different types of wins. So why is this? Okay. This happened before, as I said to you, right? I made sure I was sharing my screen, and then I stopped sharing my screen at some stage. So anyway, I'm going to continue this video. I hope I don't have to record it for the 3rd time. But we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use to learn how to market online the right way. Not only has it worked for the creator, it's also worked for over 100 members of our community who have actually earned 6 figures, right? And anywhere in between, we have thousands of testimonials in our community. So if you'd like to learn more about this proven blueprint, this year, I'm actually on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint.